Hello, guys. It's Dave Santarelli from BreakingChartAlerts.com. Today is Thursday, September 24th, 2020. Every Tuesday and Thursday, we're going to go over our current trades, what we're looking for, and how we've been doing so far this week. So first off, I want you guys to see here, this is the Trade Challenge account, the one we started with $2,500. And you can see here, so the dates are from September 21st to September 24th. And as you can see, here are the trades below that we've made so far this week. So as you guys can see here, I don't think it has today's closing trades here. It might, but what we're looking at so far, we made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades here, and we only closed out one losing trade. We picked up FedEx and UPS. They were both upgraded as obviously the holiday cyclical trend continues. More people are shopping. They're shipping things to their house instead of going to the stores. And all of these got upgraded by some top analysts. So we took advantage, jumped in FedEx and UPS, and we made a nice couple of trades in our smaller account here, the Trade Challenge account. So we locked in already $854.61. We were doing some SPY puts throughout the day. We locked in over $500 on that SPY put this morning. That was, what, an 86% return that we locked in on those SPY puts. We got those yesterday. It was only $632.73 for those two contracts. We closed it out this morning for $1,135.24, leaving us with a net profit of $502.51. That was a heck of a trade there. It was a great job. And then we ended up picking up another trade here with the September 25th, the one that expires tomorrow. The markets broke down today. We locked in a quick $192.79 gain on that trade. Sorry for the background noise. I think they're cutting the grass in the field next to us here. But also, we still have a few trades open in the account. Today, we made a Zillow trade. We ended up picking up the Zillow October 2nd 100 strike call. We picked that up for $285 a contract. We were up about 40% on that trade when she broke $100 a share today. But the market ended up selling off a little bit towards the end of today. So we're down about 15% on that trade. Okay, so that trade's for the October 2nd expo. It's still looking great. My target on that Zillow trade is going to be between $101, $102 to $105 a share. If we break 101 tomorrow, I'll probably lock in that gain, and we'll probably be looking at about a 50% gain on that Zillow trade. Okay. And then we still have a UPS trade that expires October 16th. That was down a little bit today, down $140 on that today, down 19% on the day on that today. We picked it up for, we have the October 16th 165 call. We picked that up for $4.73, currently at $2.91 there. So I love that trade still. And once we start to climb on UPS, we'll be looking to further make some trades on that. I can bring those up in the background here. And then we still have a SPY put that we got for the 320 strike for September 25th, tomorrow's expo. We picked that up towards the end of the day today just as a nice little hedge for us for tomorrow's expo. Okay, so as you guys could see here on the SPY chart, we're in breakdown momentum. We have that 1020 cross getting up to resistance, and we're failing and heading lower here. So we're definitely looking at this as another continued breakdown. And as you can see, our next support here, we have support right at around 320 a share, which we got down to today. That's where we ended up taking those SPY puts that we made over $500 profit from overnight. We got that towards the end of the day yesterday, and we closed that out this morning when we dropped down to about 320 support that I was talking about from earlier back in June. And we talked about that in yesterday's video as well. So we got down to that 320. I see we were failing to break below that support. So we locked in that quick 86% gain on those SPY puts. Okay, and then that's when we ended up picking up those Zillow trades. That took off. We got up to about a 40% gain and retraced since then. But Zillow is still looking good. If you take a look at Zillow here, now first thing before I leave this SPY, our second support area on SPY is going to be about 310 a share here. Okay, so that's what we're going to be looking for if you have that November 20th monthly expo. 310 is support 1. Support 2 is going to be 300. and then support 3 is possibly down to 275. I don't think we'll get down there. I think we'll get down to about 310 to 300 by that November expo. Now let's take a look at Zillow. As you can see, Zillow is holding up strong. The stock's up over 2% today, up about $2, $98.27 a share. It's continuing to climb, continuing to break higher here. As you guys heard this morning, home sales are up 25% from a year ago today. So that's great news. And off of that news, the mortgage companies and the real estate companies started taking off here. So I like Zillow Group. That's a great trade. I'll be looking to take profits around $101, $102 short term. If it gets up there tomorrow, absolutely lock that in tomorrow. If it still climbs slowly throughout next week, I'll be looking at possibly a 105 target. So Zillow is looking great. Our stop on that's going to be about, let's say, $96. $96 will be our stop on Zillow since we have the October 2nd. If we had the October 16th expo, I'd be looking at that stop of around $94 at that 10 SMA. Okay, and now we have a UPS trade. You can see UPS. UPS has just been stagnant for a while. It's still in the green for the day today, looking good. I think that's going to start to climb here going forward. So I like that setup on UPS, and I'm going to watch that continue to rise there. I'm going to look for profits around 167 on our UPS trade. Stop is really simple on this one. It's going to be about 158, 159 a share. Tight stop on UPS. And again, that's for the October 16th expo. Okay, and we do have one trade that's not going well for us in the trade challenge account is Microsoft. We have the October 16th 230 strike call. So it finally started flattening out right around 200 support. Now, if she could break above that 210, then I could either average down on those calls and start buying some more calls, or B, I could turn that into a spread to reduce risk if I don't think it's going to get up to that 230, or I could sell it. So next week is going to be the deciding factor for me with Microsoft. If we don't break above 210 by next week, then I'm going to be selling that Microsoft trade, which we're down about 80% on right now. And that's pretty much going to do it. We had some nice movement in the market today. You know, Tesla ended up taking off a little bit earlier before. It was up over 4%. Elon Musk, I think he was joking about they were talking about creating an electric jet now. So that's interesting. FedEx shares, though, as you can see, FedEx still continuing to hold that 10-day simple moving average the entire time. That had another upgrade today. That looked really great. And I'm really looking forward to tomorrow. Apple had a nice day, up about 1%, but it's still failing to break above that 1050 SMA on a daily chart. And again, if you look at the Qs here, which closely monitors tech, you know, we're still in breakdown momentum. We're failing at that 10 and heading lower. If you take a look at SPY, if you see SPY, we're not even getting above the previous candle's body there. So that's telling us that, you know, it's still failing at that support area right around 330, or resistance area at 330. And then if we look at the Diamond ETF, as you can see on this as well, we had that 1020 cross, failure up to that 10, failing, up to that 10, failing, and heading lower. And as you can see here with the MACD that we just did the class on, or the lesson on yesterday, you know, there's still signs of more selling pressure coming on the markets here. So all three ETFs, the Diamond, Dow, S&P, SPY, Qs, NASDAQ, we're all still in breakdown momentum. So that's why you got to keep trades smaller here and trade momentum. Don't be looking for, you know, swing trades or anything like that. Now's the time to be focusing in on quick day trades to lock in those quick, like 86% returns like we made on SPY, or the quick 13% gain we made on UPS, the 30-some% gain, or no, the 48% gain we made on FedEx. You know, so those are the type of trades you want to be focusing in on. Quick day trades that you could be in and out of, make a quick 50 to 80% return and be out of them. You know, and then if you're looking, we made a SPY trade. If you remember last week before I started going for my testing, we sent out an alert and got the SPY puts for the November monthly expo, and those are doing really well there. So if you pick those up, great job. But you remember, when you have that first initial crossover, that's when you're getting those longer term SPY puts for 3 to 6 months out till expo. So that's going to pretty much conclude today's trade analysis video. We had a great day trading today. I'm looking forward to Day Trade Friday tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for Day Trade Friday. Hope you had a great day. If you guys need anything, please let us know, and I'd be glad to help you guys out. Alrighty, I hope everyone has a great night, and I hope everyone stays safe. All right? God bless, guys, and have a great night. Bye-bye.